Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crazy for Cosmetics. So today I have a do-it-yourself spa night. So first thing I'll be doing is turning on some music and then lighting my scented candle. I have here all the products that I'll be using for the spa night today on my table. First I'll be removing all the makeup using the Pond's White Beauty cleansing milk, followed by which I'll be using my makeup remover wipes to remove all the leftover makeup from my skin. And then I'll be going with a Kama Ayurveda Rose and Jasmine face cleanser, followed by a scrub and then a toner. And I'll also be trying out Sephora's new avocado mask that I got as a freebie from Sephora. And then I have Aroma Magic's Nourishing Cream, which I'll be applying in the end. I'm going to be doing a homemade body scrub using 3 ingredients: coffee powder, sugar, as well as olive oil. I'm just mixing all the products so that I would get a good consistency of the scrub, which I'll be using for my body. And the coffee scrub is safe to be used on all types of skin. It is not too harsh. So I'm just taking the quantities that I'll be needing for my skin, especially for my problem areas such as my elbow joints, my knee joints, my legs, etc., which needs a lot of scrubbing. I'm just mixing those ingredients to achieve a good scrub. And next, after the quick wash wherein I've used the scrub, I'll just be doing my skincare routine. I'm tying my hair in a bun so that it doesn't disturb me in any way. I'm just covering my dress with a white towel so that none of the products fall onto my clothes. So I'm just removing my makeup first with the makeup remover wipes. It doesn't cause any type of skin irritation. I just bought it from Saza, which is a store in Singapore, which is similar to Health and Glow back in India. So it's got all these products that you can pick up. The wipes are for sensitive skin, so yeah, you can use it for sensitive skin. It doesn't cause any kind of skin irritation, and the smell is also very pleasant. It smells of rose water. So if you see, most of the products that I'll be using today are of rose water based. I'm just taking a cotton pad and then I'm just taking the Pond's White Beauty cleansing milk, which is to remove all the leftover eye makeup, because having some leftover eye makeup can cause dark circles in the morning when you wake up. So it's always better to remove all the eye makeup, kajal or whatever is left out. So I'm just going in again with the cotton to remove all the eye makeup and kajal. Next I'm taking the Kama Ayurveda face cleanser. I'm just taking few drops of it, and I'll be washing my face with it so that it would completely make my face clean. It would remove all the dirt and dust particles. I'm just wiping it with a clean white towel. I'm just pressing it. I'm just not going, handling my skin very roughly. I'm just slightly dabbing it. And next I take the St. Ivy's face scrub, which is the pink, lemon and orange variant. And I'm just scrubbing my face, especially my problem areas such as the forehead, my nose and my cheek areas, wherein I get a lot of blackheads. I don't go for facials here in Singapore because they're quite expensive. So I'm just doing a facial by myself. And next I just wipe it out, wash it out and then wipe it out with the towel. Next I'm going to use the toner, which is the rose water from Kama Ayurveda. Rose water acts as a good toner. It soothes your skin. It closes all the pores. I'm just dabbing it onto my skin. I'm just taking a lip balm and I'm applying it on my lips because my lips tend to get little dry frequently. Next, I'm going to go in with the Sephora's avocado mask, which I got it with one of my purchases from Sephora. It was quite difficult opening the mask and it looks scary. I'm gonna look like a scary face woman with the mask on, so I'm just applying it on my face and I'm gonna relax for a while. Actually, the mask was very good for my skin. After some time, after about 20 minutes, I'm just taking off my mask and then going with Aroma Magic's Nourishing Dew Cream. So I'm just taking out the excess liquid, and now I'm going to apply the Aroma Magic Nourishing Dew Cream so that my skin would stay supple through the night. I'm just massaging it in circular motion to improve the blood circulation as well as for the cream to penetrate into my skin. My skin really feels fresh after the avocado mask. It's one of the must buys from Sephora, I would say. So yeah, that's it for my do-it-yourself spa night. Hope you enjoyed watching the video and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.